everyone! How are you today? Great! I'm so happy to hear that. I'm also very happy to meet you again. Yay! Today we are going to make a pop-up card together. Are you ready? Great! Let's go! You should prepare a piece of paper, 2 colored papers, ruler, pencil, scissors, glue stick, and felt pens. First, make one of the colored papers to be a little bit smaller than the other. Fold them in half. Draw 4 lines 2 centimeters each in a smaller piece of paper and cut them. Draw some pictures to put on the card. Color the pictures. Cut along the outline of the pictures. Put the glue on the pop-up parts of paper and stick the pictures on them. Write a card to your friend to exercise together. Hi, Sarah. I'm Hayne. Let's play badminton together. I'll be waiting at the park at 3. Put the glue on the back of the card and stick it on the colored paper. Okay everyone, was it fun today? I hope you make a special memory with your friends with this card. Okay, then see you next time. Bye-bye!